Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India for April 22nd. So this is the last day of the week and it is expected to be a tough start today. So let's discuss how the Nifty setup is. So today what I will try to annotate few things and that will make the things easy for you to understand that how Nifty has setting up and what are the technical factors that you should look now on the Nifty. So yeah, so see, last time, if you can see over here, after making a top, can you see this annotation, the green line? This green line over here is the 21 EMA, that is the exponential moving average. So last time similar thing happened. Rally आया, उसके बाद market fall किया 16,800 के around, it made a bottom, right? And then for 4-5 session, it felt like okay, the things are being improved, सब ठीक हो रहा है, but ultimately 21 EMA was a pressure point for the Nifty, and you can see it never reclaimed its 21 EMA. Every time it tried to reclaim 21 EMA, it failed, right? And there was a bottom established around 15,600, right? Now a rally started from there and around 18,100 it went, right? After the HDFC's merger news, the Nifty went around till 18,114. Now, after that, the fall again started. 5,200 DMA breach hua yahan se, and for 2 days, you might be thinking that okay, this has been good, more than 1% gain for 2 consecutive days. Broader market doing good, but again, you can see Nifty is very close to 21 EMA now, around 17,400, 450. There is a 21 EMA zone, right? So this can be a major resistance. And you might have seen today also, like all the Asian markets, the global markets are down more than 1%. Yesterday, Fed chairman came up with a comment that they might be increasing the rate by 50 bips in the May meeting, and it's on the table. So this adds pressure on the market. And also during the when the media was asking about the more 50 bips rate hikes, so he was not denying it, right? So this is all what market is trying to factor in, that okay, there can be some faster rate hikes and liquidity can be sucked from the market, because the inflation is very high, not only in India but globally. The inflation pressure is very high, so central bankers are concerned about it and they might pace up the rate hikes. So yes, for Nifty you need to look at around this level on the higher side. On the downside, 50 and 200 DMA over here, that can provide a good support to Nifty. But see, looking at the volume, see, when there was a 2 days major fall, the volume was very high. This horizontal line is average 50-day average volume. So usse zyada hi tha. But when there was a more than 1% rally for 2 consecutive days, look at the volume. See, just look at the volume bar. This clearly indicates that there was a low volume on these days, right? So these are the indications that not everything is good. And you guys know that we are at a 4 distribution day and market is under pressure. So we need to be very careful at this point of time. Okay, so now let me quickly take you through the key result. HCL Tech was in line with estimates, no major issues. The PAT growth was around 4% on a QOQ basis. Margin, as expected, it was a bit on the lower side due to increasing cost, but that's fine. Around 18% margin is there. Tata Communication delivered a very good result. Revenue growth was good. The profit also grew more than 23%. That's a decent set of number. As far as ICICI Lombard is concerned, the PAT declined, right? But the good part is that their GDPI, that is the gross direct premium income, increased on a YOY basis more than 20%. So that's something positive. So results can be, I can say, neutral. Right? If you look at the, I think this is not updated. Yeah, US and Asian market, have fallen almost more than 1% or so. And if I take you through the developed market summary, here you won't see much damage. So at the start of April, there were 19 market out of 25 developed market that William O'Neill tracks, right? 19 were in a confirm uptrend, but now there are 17. So no major damage here, but all are, very close to falling into the under pressure. But if you look at this emerging market, so that out of 25 emerging market that we track, at the beginning of April, 16 were in a confirm uptrend. But now you can see there are only 12 market in a confirm uptrend. 8 of them have been under pressure and 2 are already in downtrend. So the damage is not local, right? It is globally, the markets have been under pressure. So that is not a major issue to worry specifically for India, right? On a greater scale, we are outperforming if you look. And yes, today SGX Nifty indicates a negative opening, almost it is below the 17,200 level. Now, if you look at the chart of the day, so today I will discuss about the Allcargo Logistics. So last 2 quarters result have been exceptional. The revenue were at all-time high for 2 consecutive quarters. And if you look at the number of fund holdings, let me annotate it for you. Okay, yeah. See, the number of fund holdings almost from 49 at the start of year to 89 at the end of December 21. So this has been really good. And if you look at the currently base formation, the double bottom base formation has been very good, right? And it's a stage 1 base. So this gives you a lot of confidence that if the market is in a good range and on the positive side, then these stocks can really do well. Also, the group is performing very, very well. And if you look at the volume action, this is what I like the most about this stock. Jo higher days hai, the up days are on a higher volume. And if you can see the pink days or you can the red days, they are on the lower volume. So this is something very positive for Allcargo Logistics. They also own stake in Gati, right? And the performance of the Gati is also very good. Also, they are going for a corporate restructuring, and that will make them a bit asset light. So the margins will increase, the revenue is on the track to increase, the guidance is very good, in fact, right? So it has been a very good story for the logistic companies, and Allcargo Logistics stands tall in that. So just keep a watch on this one. Again, we started with disclaimer. This is not directly advice to buy or sell the security. So that's it for the day. Thank you.